Alright guys, hey guys, this is Janet, Strange RV Tours. I've got some maintenance to do. There's some issues underneath our RV as far as our wiring. So come and join me, I'll show you what I'm doing. Alright? Okay, since I'm going to be crawling around under there where the dirt and everything, I've got zip ties, I've got wire cutters, some duct tape, and a towel, and my goggles, because I don't want my contacts to be full of dirt and whatever's under there. So let me show you what's going on, and here we go. Okay, I got this mat. I don't have a place to use it out here. Not necessary either. But anyway, let me show you. Okay. I'm going to try to set up this tripod when I get started. But, okay. You can see right here. Those wires are exposed. Now, that looks like a zip tie there is busted. And see some more right here. And this was a quick fix that I did before we left the Carolinas. And I'm surprised it held, but you can see this was hanging that far down, and I noticed it. I kind of took a look one day and I saw this hanging, and then I went on down here. There's a zip tie there. You know, this is old RV and these zip ties can't last forever, I guess. And then this right here, see, this was all falling apart. I'm gonna go ahead and duct tape that up and take care of that, because you know your wiring, if you have a wiring issue, man, that can run into some bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and look all the way up and down, but right away I see this. You know, I saw this, and these were actually hanging out of this protective material. So, you know, so I pushed them back in and just bungeed it up. But I didn't realize that a bunch of the wiring is actually exposed. So I'll push those back in and tape them up a bit and go ahead and zip tie this stuff back up. And the hard part is going to be find the holes that to do all this. And let's see, that one's covered up. See, is this one covered up? Looks like that's covered up by metal. So if I can find a way to zip tie some of this back up somewhere. But okay, yeah, there's a hole up here, so I know I can go ahead and zip tie there, maybe there, both those maybe. Yeah, that's why I need the goggles. That dust gets in my contacts, and I don't want to waste a pair of contacts. I don't want to hurt my eyes, but I'll do a couple rounds. Just kind of see if I can get it tight on there. Do a couple places. Maybe turn it up when I zip tie it. Yeah. Here we go. I know that's a place where I'll be zip tying. See? I mean, I guess I could use electrical tape, but it's all plastic out here anyway. Yeah, there's a real good place right there. I can see over here. Yeah. See, I can see over here. It's a real good place. There's a real good place right there I can zip tie. And there's a good place here and here. This is kind of heavy. So, alright. See if I can get a zip tie going here. Alright. Okay, that might work. Alright. And my arthritis. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. I can't grip it good. So here we go. There. I don't want to hit myself. Klutz. Told you. Okay, that's pretty good. Doesn't feel like it's moving around much. Now I'll just clip off the end. There. Ta-da! Did one. Sure if I get in there good. That's a little better. They're not going to fall out now. That's good. As long as I don't crush it a little more. Man, every time I work underneath this thing, the next day my belly hurts because it's like I'm doing crunches. Like, It's good for me, I guess. Through there. Turn it the right direction. Yeah, I learned how to do the zip ties. I always tried to put them in backwards, like the wrong side. You do this where it's, you know, a little bigger on this side. It's flat, you know, so anyway, it's just a girl thing, I guess. Let's see if these are long enough. Oh yeah, yeah, they're long enough. Wonderful. Okay, yeah, I can feel that. As long as I don't crush it. Give me a little bit more space. There we go. Okay, hold on. Okay, because I need one here somewhere, and it's not working. Now, if I go all the way up, that's not going to work either. That's too far. I can do two together, I guess. That's true. Yeah. I do two together, go back around. I don't know. Let me see. None of these will go through. See, there's... See, those are all covered up. If I go all the way over and do two of them, man, I guess that'd be better than nothing. I don't want to go over these lines. And I'm going all the way over here, it's going on the wrong side. So here, let me do this. Let me do two together. Go all the way up here and through this area. I can get through there and just go around. That, yeah, that'll work. Okay. I don't want to be on that spot though. So maybe I ought to, maybe right there. It's right up against that. I don't like that. I'm gonna do it right here. Yeah, I'll do it here. That way it's not up against the sharp edges and stuff. You know? But, and then I can, okay, let's see. That was there. That was there. See? That's not too sharp, but let me see. That's not sharp. I can get this one and secure it. Yeah, just enough to hold it up. I don't want to be in that whole part though. Okay. I'll do one just like we did the others. Yeah. Around there. Big hole there. Yeah. That's all right. Okay. Okay. All right. That's all right. Yeah, that's not on anything real sharp. Good. I don't want to put it too tight there. Just enough to keep it up, you know. That's good. There we go. All right, guys. I got that part done. Okay. There, I got that one up there. It's not around any lines. It's not around any lines. That's good. Hey. Enough? You guys had enough? I got grease on you. Alright. Alright, guys. I don't know. We're in the glare. I'll get out of here. I'll show you my handiwork. Here you go. All the way down to the end. All the way up here. Wee. And then I just did this. And this. Alright. So far so good. I guess I can keep looking. I'll check out the rest. But I know that was hanging way down. It was hanging at least this far down when I first saw it. And I did the bungee. And we had to get out of there. I didn't have any zip ties and stuff to do it. So now I did, so got around to it. We hadn't been anywhere and don't plan on going anywhere for a while. So alrighty. Anyway, okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button, subscribe if you would. We need some more subscribers. I can't say it, subscribers. And hit the little bell for notifications, because we're posting stuff constantly. It's all different stuff. And if you join Patreon, that'd be great too. We got other stuff there for our members there. Alright guys, be safe, take it easy, talk at you later. I'm getting out of here, get cleaned up. Bye.